Well, it's a Sunday evening, and I am pulling the 351 engine and transmission out. Um, Turn out, I didn't want to fool with the engine. I was going to try and crank it up before I pulled it and see can I deal the guy out of it. But after doing some checking and noticed it didn't have a distributor in it at all, I decided just to go ahead and pull it. It had some water in it that's been sitting for years, and it could have a cracked block, could have cracked heads. I don't know. The guy wanted the engine transmission so bad, so here it is. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna take it to him because that was our end of the. That was our deal. He keep the engine and transmission, and I get the rest of the car. So I got an engine to put in it because I'm thinking about putting it together. The car ain't really that bad. It does have some minor rust right here, which I can cut out of the other car and add it in. And like I say, it's got the floorboards that's rusted out in the back. I've been checking the front floorboards and they are good. They just got surface rust. I even stuck my foot in there and tried to jump through them. So anyway, this is what I'm doing on this lovely rainy Sunday evening. Pulling this engine transmission out of this old Mustang. So that's it.